Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best documentation to prepare for your Lendio application based on my personal experience securing small business funding. Applying for business financing through a marketplace like Lendio can be a lot faster than going to a traditional bank, but you still need to be incredibly organized. The biggest mistake you can make is scrambling for documents once you start the application. Lendio works with multiple lenders, and what one lender needs, another might need a more in-depth version of. So preparation is key. From my experience, I found there are 3 core document categories you need to have perfected and ready to upload. 1. The financial snapshot. This is the most critical part. Your application is going to live or die on your financials. Business bank statements. Profit and loss P&L statement. Business tax returns. Debt schedule. 2. The business and owner proof. Lenders need to verify who you are and that your business is legitimate. Personal ID. Business legal documents. Voided business check. Business license and registrations. 3. The big picture. Depending on the loan product and amount, they might ask for more, but having this prepared sets you ahead. Business plan. Collateral documentation, if applicable. My advice is simple. Gather every single document mentioned, save them neatly in a dedicated folder on your desktop, and make sure they are current before you even start the online application. This preparation turns a multi-day scramble into a smooth, fast application process. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.